Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Create a HubSpot account, verify your email, and choose CMS Hub Starter or Professional. Next, connect one domain and configure the DNS records for that domain. DNS propagation usually completes within 30 minutes for many providers. After domain setup, pick a starter template from the marketplace and install it into your portal. Open the Design Manager and inspect the template modules to understand structure and reusable assets. Save your portal name and billing details to avoid interruptions during development. Open the drag-and-drop editor and assemble sections and modules in the page canvas. Use global content modules for headers, footers, and repeated blocks across pages. Optimize header images to 1200 px width and 16:9 ratio for consistent display across devices. Configure responsive settings and preview desktop, tablet, and mobile layouts before publishing. Use the Audit tab to check for broken links, missing metadata, and accessibility issues. Save revisions frequently and create a draft copy before making broad template changes. Create forms in the Forms tool and map each field directly to CRM contact properties. Use progressive profiling to collect additional data without overwhelming visitors on their first visit. Configure a workflow to notify sales and marketing after one form submission and to apply lead scoring rules. Connect marketing emails and set GDPR consent options when required for compliance. Publish pages and monitor analytics for sessions, bounce rate, and conversions in the Performance tab. Schedule exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.